Okay, our main road through town has disappeared. And we're doing what we have to do.
Just go outside, drive around in it.
Had to batten down the hatches so stuff doesn't blow away.
Cow, she had a white grip on that thing.
Well, these are high-profile vehicles.
A piece of a building.
Where?
In front of that truck.
Oh my goodness.
I think it's a trim off of
Oh, it is.
the Mexican
Oh,
food
look
place.
at that. There goes the trim. Scooting.
Ooh, right in the electric bulb. Uh-oh. Do we have a battery at the house?
I don't know. Do we have a battery at the house?
No, we don't.
Do we need to go get
Oh,
one?
look at the power lines.
Holy cow.
Oh.
Oh. Well, if it takes the trees at the house, I hope it doesn't land on the house.
By the way, I'm not going to get next to the building and open the window and wait for him to come up the way. So he's going to run in the door and get it. Yeah, it's got some gargles.
I have to run inside and get it?
Yeah, because I'm not going to go over there.
Okay.
You see the wind?
Yes, I see the wind.
See the stuff on the roof blowing off?
Yes.
Feeling it?
Yeah. This poor man can hardly walk to get to his car. All right.